How to get notification on TradingView. Are you guys facing issues to get notification from TradingView? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open TradingView on your laptop device. Once you open the app, now log in into your account with your own registered email and password. After you get logged in, now look at the top left corner of your screen where you can see a profile over here. Click on it. Now tap on settings. Once you click on it, you will be provided with multiple options over here. Now click on alert. Once you click on alert, toggle this option to get the notification in TradingView. And that's it guys, that's how we're gonna get notification in TradingView. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.